Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to display mirror your Android phone on over to your TV. And this is easy to do. Just make sure your TV or your Fire Stick or Roku device is connected to the same internet as your smartphone. So let's go on over to the network settings right here and select this and go down to Wi-Fi connection. And then go on over to the internet and just connect it. So you can see I'm connected to Miss Beast right here. And this is set up, and now I have to do the same thing on my phone. So let's go on over to Android 14 version and then swipe on down from the top right. So yours might be a little bit different depending on the version you have, and then go to Wi-Fi right here. And you can see I'm connected to Wi-Fi now. So if you're not connected, you won't be able to find it. Then go down to the top right, go down, and there should be an option under here called like wireless projection or display mirroring. For some reason, I can't hit that down arrow, but there should be an option, stringing cast, smart view, etc. Now, what you want to do is go on down to where it says wireless projection. There should be an option on here, and you should be able to find your TV. So I got Magic Mic on here, or LG Mic 90. I got my Fire Stick on there as well, and I can just simply select it, and it should connect to my TV. So if you're on your Fire Stick, you have to hold down the home button and go to the Enable Display Mirroring section, and then you can go ahead and do this. Now, for some reason, this doesn't connect right away on my phone, but I have to do it like 2 or 3 times. On my iPhone, it connects right away. Just try it out with your setup. It works on Roku also. And if you got your Fire Stick or your Fire TV, should work on that as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.